term permutation refers to a mathematical calculation of the numbers of ways a particular set can be arranged. A permutation is a word that describes the numbers of ways a thing can be ordered or arranged. With permutation, the order of arrangement matters. These are 5 examples of permutation.
Suppose we have 6 different potted plants and we wish to arrange for them in a row. In how many ways can this be done? And they are equal n factorial over n minus 1 factorial 6p4 equal 6 factorial over 6 minus 4 factorial 6p4 equal 6 factorial over 2 factorial 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 factorial over 2 factorial then eliminate 2 factorial and 2 factorial then times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 equal 6 out 360 ways.
Basketball teams competing for the top 4 standings in order to move up to the semi-finals. Find the numbers of possible rankings of the top 4 teams. NPR equals n factorial over n minus r factorial. 8p4 equals 8 factorial over 8 minus 4 factorial. 8p4 equals 8 factorial over 4 factorial equals 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 factorial over 4 factorial. Then eliminate 4 factorial and 4 factorial, then times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 equals 1280 ways.
License plate begins with the 3 letters. If the possible letters are A, B, C, D, and E, how many different permutations can be made if no letter is used more than once?
NPR equals n factorial over n minus r factorial equals 5 factorial over 5 minus r factorial is equal to 5 factorial over 2 factorial is equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 factorial over 2 factorial. Then eliminate 2 factorial and 2 factorial. Then times 5 times 4 times 3 is equals to 680 ways.
The permutation of 8p4 and n factorial over n minus r factorial. 8p4 equal 8 factorial over 8 minus 4 factorial equal 8 factorial over 4 factorial equal 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 factorial over 4 factorial. Then eliminate 4 factorial and 4 factorial, then times 8 times 7 times 5 times 6 times 5 equal 1680. In how many ways can a president, a treasurer, and a secretary be chosen from among 7 candidates? NPR equal n factorial over n minus r factorial equals 7 factorial over 7 minus 3 factorial equals 7 factorial over 6 times 5 times 4 factorial over 4 factorial. Then eliminate 4 factorial. Then eliminate 4 factorial and 4 factorial, then times 7 times 6 times 5 equal 800. 640 ways.
Combination. A combination is a mathematical technique that determines the number of possible arrangements in a collection of items where the order of the selection does not matter. Example number 1. A shake parlor has 10 different fruit. Cynthia wants to buy one order with 3 different flavors. How many different selections are possible? 10 C3 equals 10 factorial over 3 factorial and 10 minus 3 factorial equals to 10 factorial over 3 factorial and 7 factorial. 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 factorial over 3 factorial and 7 factorial. Then we eliminate 7 factorial and 7 factorial. And then times 10 times 9 times 8 is equal to 720. Then 3 times 2 times 1 equals 6. Then 720 divided by 6 equals 120 ways. And how many ways can you select a committee of 4 students out of 12 students? 12C4 is equals to 12 factorial over 4 factorial and 12 minus 4 factorial is equals to 12 factorial over 4 factorial and 7 factorial is equals to 12 minus 11 minus 10 minus 9 minus 8 minus 7 factorial over 4 factorial and 7 factorial. Then eliminate 7 factorial and 7 factorial. Then times 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 is equal to 95,040. Then times 10 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to 24. Then divide 95,040 and 24 is equal to 3,960. And how many ways can a principal choose 3 of the 30 teachers to attend a conference abroad? 30C3 is equals to 30 factorial over 3 factorial and 30 minus 3 factorial is equals to 30 factorial over 3 factorial and 27 factorial. Because we subtract 30 minus 3 is equals to 27 factorial. Then times 30 times 29 times 28 times 27 over 3 factorial and 27 factorial. Then eliminate 27 factorial and 27. Then times 30 times 29 times 28 is equals to 24,360. Then times 3 times 2 is equals to 6. Then divide 24,360 and 6 is equals to 4,060. A hand of 13 cards having exactly 10 spades drawn from a deck of cards. 13 C10 is equal to 13 factorial over 10 factorial 13 minus 10 factorial is equal to 13 factorial and 10 factorial. 13 minus 10 equals 3 factorial is equal to 13 times 12 times 11 times 10 factorial over 10 factorial and 3 factorial. Then eliminate 10 factorial and 10 factorial. Then times 13 times 12 times 11 is equal to 1,716. Then times 3 times 2 equals to 6. Then divide 1,716 and 6 is equal to 286.
A committee of 5 persons will be chosen from a group of 7 persons.
C5 equals 7 factorial over 5 factorial and 7 minus 5 factorial is equal to 7 factorial over 5 factorial and 2 factorial.
to 7 times 6 times 5 factorial